Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am so happy to have you here because in today's video I will be showing you how to give your small rental bathroom a refresh. So stay tuned and please consider unsubscribing, and this will help me so much for my channel as well. So the question is, how much can you really do with a rental bathroom? If it were up to me, I'd rip out the mirror and replace it. I will get all new hardware as well as lighting and just do things I'm not able to do as a renter. But once I flipped my mindset, though, I started looking at all the things that you can do. My creativity started to flow. I'm so happy with the small, subtle changes I made, and you can still make your small rented bathroom a cozy place for self-care. Here are some tips to help you create your own little bathroom sanctuary. All right, so the first thing how to give your small rental bathroom a refresh is once removing everything from your bathroom. This just gives a better surface to really deep clean your bathroom, as for me anyways, in my opinion. And before even applying this mold and mildew paint on my ceiling, I did open the window to just dry it out, and I also recommend that you try your best to clean it before painting this. And I did this the day before, so that way it just gives it more time to dry and I have a drier surface to work with. And I just did one coat, let it dry for 30 minutes, and then I went back with my second and third coat if necessary. Now, you can totally skip this part if this doesn't concern you or if you don't have this type of problem, but I have to do this every year in the bathroom as well as one of my kids' bedroom, just because we do suffer with that with the molding in the rooms. But anyway, so you do want to deep clean as well, so grab a toothbrush or whatever works best for you to really get into those edges as well as the in between the tile, and just really give it a good scrub, and this will make your bathroom smell amazing afterwards. And then next, this is one of my favorite things to do, is to declutter and organize, especially because when you have a small space, you don't want so much cluttering going on in your small space. So get rid of what is you don't use and what is expired, and it would just give your small space a more refreshed look and more cleaner look. And I absolutely love how everything turned out. And by the way, these bins are from Dollar Tree, in case you guys are wondering, and it works really well in small spaces. All right, so now that we are done deep cleaning, we can actually have some fun and start decorating. So I'm just going to add this small table that I already had. You can totally use whatever you have around the house. Next thing, you're going to find a shower curtain that you love, as well as a bath mat. I chose this pastel yellow shower curtain from Ross for only $7.99, and I didn't break the bank. I tend to stick to more neutrals because I think the smaller size of a bathroom color actually overwhelms me, so I tend to tone it down a lot. Next, you're going to want to add plants. You can totally put artificial plants if you like. Now, greenery adds so much to a space. It brings it to life, in my opinion. I love plants, and the more plants in your bathroom, the more the merrier, in my opinion. And then next thing, you're going to want to make sure that your bathroom smells good. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you found it helpful in any way, please thumbs it up or down. This will further let me know what needs improvement. I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I will see you super soon in a new video. Bye. Thanks, guys.